Hello everybody, it's Judge's Free Time here, and I've always wondered how good these cameras are, these little GoPro rip-off things. So we're going to be seeing today how good they are. I mean, apparently people have been throwing them in the washing machine, so why don't I throw it in the washing machine and see what happens? So here we go, let's see if this is waterproof, as people say. And I thought I'd throw this in as well because according to wish.com, this actually is waterproof. So let's quickly do a wash cycle. It is recording. So let's see. Synthetics. Let's do synthetics. Yeah, let's put you on a 40-degree wash and see what happens. Oh, but wait a minute. I've missed one vital thing. Let's put an aerial pod in too, and we'll see how good and waterproof it is. There we go. I've heard these cameras are amazing for using in washing machines and dishwashers and such, and many other things really. A bit noisy, but you get the results that you need to get good footage. This in no way will knacker your drum or anything. So we'll give you more results as they come across and show you what it's like. Wow guys, look at all that foaming action. Right guys, it's all done. Let's see the results. Oh shit. Smells nice though. But that's aerial for you. It turns out you need to put the case on because I don't think this is going to work. Let's quickly put the battery in, which I luckily have here, because I forgot to put it in when I recorded it. Stupid me forgot to do that small little error. Let's see if we can still turn it on at least. Apparently these are indestructible. And oh my god, it is still working. Just. Wow. Even indestructible out the cases. But yeah. So apparently the way to film your GoPro is you're supposed to have this on. Oh, dearie me. Silly bastard. Oh well.